Hello again guys, welcome to a new video and probably a short one guys, cause mabasa niya na akong cellphone guys. Dili ni siya waterproof, and then it's been a snow pouring again, probably a snowfall warning again here in Alberta guys. Look at that guys. Holy smoke, eh? Yeah, look at like the road is pretty quiet right now. And then good morning Philippines and good afternoon Canada. So gonna go here guys. Holy, look at that guys, look at that. Oh no, we're gonna use the R1 guys. It's hard to go there at the park, so probably we're gonna use the road. Yeah. So yeah, it's been like this since this morning guys. Yeah, it's like totally snowfall. Yeah, it's like about a snowfall warning guys. So yeah, it's gonna be a short and quick video guys. So yeah, it's about almost 4 in the afternoon here in Canada guys. Yeah, good morning Philippines and good afternoon Canada. Yeah. Look at that guys. It's a bit snowfall warning guys. Yeah, we're in the highway right now, so I didn't bring my bag because my bag is a bit heavier guys, so I prefer have to forgot something to buy early guys. So look at guys, look at that. Yeah, it's been like this since this morning. So probably di rin takutob guys, ang cellphone nabasa na yun guys. So we call up the video right here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time guys. Peace out.